within our industry. The business is that now we book business. At this point in time, we think that it's not fair to share with the rest. Should qualify for.
If you see a client coming in and you see commission.
At this point in time, we think that it's not fair to share with the rest. Should qualify for.
If you see a client coming in and you see.
We are not pricing the risks correctly, so that when a claim happens, then we don't have something to pay those claims with. We don't have sufficient funds to pay the claims. So we have to see how we are doing our rating in the PSV so that we are charging correct premium commensurate with the risks and the liabilities.
We also have a challenge with the PSV sector that will be sorted out by government in the coming days, and so we think that that problem will be behind us in the coming days.
That will be a very big loss to the industry because it will take away almost 30 billion shillings from our industry. So we are hoping that we can continue engaging with the government so that even as the FAD comes in, we doesn't have a disruptive nature to our industry, or even if then they do, how we can work together.